The last few years, we've had even more opportunity than historically to invest in early stage deals. Part of that was driven by an absence of some of our old colleagues in the medical device world. There were fewer funds around to co-invest at that early stage. So our view on early stage opportunities, especially those that could disrupt some of our existing businesses, is to be very open-minded. Our view is we'd much rather be close to something that's going to disrupt one of our businesses than ignore it. So if it's going to take some of our business away, we ought to understand it. If we can invest in it and help build that and make it successful, we're happy to do that. It's been a pleasure for me working for J&J over the last many years. That there is no problem with the non-invented here concept. Folks have always looked to the outside. I was at Ethicon in my early days at J&J, and a dozen different innovations came out of there that led to new companies or new businesses for J&J. So there was a mindset that I think that we all embraced to look to the outside. There was a Wall Street Journal article earlier this year looking at pharmaceutical companies between 2002 and 2012. In 2002, on average, most of us had about 20% of our products that were for sale that had evolved from relationships outside of our companies. By 2012, for J&J, that number is just over 50%. And so that in the farm business is also present in our medical device and consumer businesses, where we're very, very open to look outside. There's a little complexity for us because we know a very early idea on its path to success will evolve a lot. It may change technology, it may change specialty. If we've got the right management team, they can stay agile and make those happen. So we enter into a deal, and especially those early stage deals, knowing it could change, knowing the result may be different than we thought. We sell it internally as something of strategic interest. If that strategic direction of the company changes, we need to be sure that we did the investment in valid financial context. So we've got that financial safety net. We believe we look at those opportunities, especially those early ones, believing they can affect one of our businesses, but we do it under conditions that make it also a valid venture investment. So we've got the strategic result. If that doesn't happen, we've got a financial safety net on it, and we exit and move on to a new deal.